Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I went thrifting. I'm going to go ahead and try on everything, style everything. So if thrifting hauls and styling videos is something that you are interested in, just keep watching.
Dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Not what, but who.
Alright guys, so welcome back. Again, we went thrifting. Yes, this is part 3 of my thrifting series, and again, like I said, we are going to break these here up into series because I thrift so often. Now, if you are interested in daily content, make sure you are following me over on Instagram because I post every day over there, whether it be in fashion, life, lifestyle, date night, blah, 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 all the stuff. So make sure you follow me over on Instagram so that you can get daily inspiration. Also, follow me on all of my other platforms, all under JudyTanyae. I will leave my Instagram handle here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. So, y'all want to see what I got? I know y'all want to see what I got. Okay. But first, let me go over my outfit of the day. So, today's outfit, beauty in every shade. I got the entire jogging suit. I got this from Target. Target, listen, I need to invest in Target stock because they got me. They got me. I buy everything from Target. I got this on sale. This is old. I got this about 2 years ago. The jacket I got from Windsor, and it is a long kind of blue jean duster, and of course I'm styling everything over here. The baseball cap, I got this from Amazon. It's an army fatigue hat. And I'm going to leave my Amazon storefront in the description box below. And of course, all of my jewelry, my regular bracelets that I enjoy wearing and make all of this noise. So I'm going to take these off so that they don't disturb anybody. My Fitbit, which I wear it all day, every day. I even sleep in it. And then I have a Kate Spade bangle. You guys would have saw this in another video with all of my new in stuff. All right, and then my rings, I got these off of Amazon, and that would have been in my new in haul video, and I'm going to leave that in the cue cards above, and then just my regular, you know, wedding ring. And then my earrings I got from Zara, and that is also included in that video. Everything from that video, what I'm wearing, would be also listed in the description box. And then of course my letter J necklace, you guys would have seen this in another video as well, and I got this off of Amazon. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. So I have a bag full of stuff, as you guys can see. Some stuff I'm able to fit, and some stuff I did not bother trying on because I was exhausted when I went thrifting. So some stuff I can't fit. I'll still show it. I won't style it because I'm gonna end up giving it away. I'm giving it to my twin sister because she's much smaller than I am, but I'm getting there. All right, so let's now go ahead and jump right into this video. Let me take this bracelet off so it doesn't disturb anyone. I don't want to make any noise with the click clack. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. All right, and here is our first item, and again, I am styling everything over there. The price of it was $4.99. And I don't know what tag it was that day, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie because I got this stuff some time ago. So it has like a little peplum bottom. So if you have like area, the little tummy area that you're trying to hide a little bit, put some pleats on top of it. If you can't beat it, pleat it. Does that sound? Yeah, I think, okay. Bars, okay. So it has a zipper in the back. Nice elastic. Look at how much that stretch. Okay, and it was $4.99. So yeah, I definitely can't wait to wear this here. Again, it has like a little zipper in the back. I can wear this with either plain by itself with nothing underneath it, or I can wear either a bodysuit. I plan on wearing a white button-up shirt underneath it, and also I can wear this on top of a dress. So I am definitely happy that we got this item here. All right, the next item. I stocked up on a lot of shirts because I didn't have many shirts. I got a lot of shirts, but hey, as long as you got a lot of tops, then you can switch them out and with any type of bottoms. So I did stock up on a lot of shirts, and this one here is just a crop top, $6.99. Look at that, y'all. Tag still on it. Okay, got a little Riri going on. It's Savage X Fenty. I don't think I had any yellow crop tops. I think I got black, white, blue, red, a lot of colors, but I didn't have yellow. So I definitely wanted to get this. And this one came in a size, what size did I get this? And for reference, you guys, I wear, this one is it's a medium. I wear anywhere between a medium. As a matter, I don't even pay attention to sizes anymore at this point. If I pick it up, I can fit it, I buy it. So don't pay attention, don't get too wrapped up in like sizes, guys, because some of this stuff, it comes from China, it comes all over, from all over. So the sizing is different. So don't get wrapped up in the size. If you can fit it and it looks flattering on your body, get it. Don't worry about the sizing. But this is a size medium, and for reference, I range anywhere from a size medium to a large in tops. And if I wanted to fit somewhat oversized, I'd do an extra large. But yeah, we're gonna keep going with the shirts, only because I don't know, I like shirts. Anyway, so this one here, it's a faux leather shirt. And again, like I said, don't get wrapped up in the sizes. This is a size 16, and I definitely don't wear a size 16. However, because it's tight in the back, I can make it fit as tight and or as loose as possible. So again, there go the pleating in the front, and the pleating is always going to be a little bit more flattering if you're trying to kind of conceal a little tummy area. $7.99. Somebody was in the store, they saw me walking around with this shirt, and the lady said, "Are you buying that?" I said, "I sure am." And baby, I was hugging this shirt. And you'll see me styling everything again onto the side. I was hugging this shirt. She said, "Are you buying that?" And so I was like, "I sure am." She was like, "Well, I said, "I am." She said, "But if you don't," I said, "But I am, I'm buying it." This shirt is too freaking cute. It's too cute. Faux leather. It's one of those things I can wear this in the springtime because again, I live in Chicago, and what's the weather? If y'all know what I'm gonna say, then leave it in the comments. Y'all already know. Tell me what I'm gonna say. I live in Chicago. What I'm gonna say? What I always say. We got 2 seasons, hot and cold. That's it. That's all we got. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. That's it. All right. Let's go ahead and get right into the next one. So I just needed like some cute little dresses just for me to wear when I don't really feel like doing anything or wearing anything. So guess what I'm gonna do with this here? Throw a blue jean top on top of it, and or I may either put a blue jean top on top of it, or that little camo jacket that I got in that last thrift, I may throw a camo on top of it. But this is what it is. It came from Topshop. Size 10, and it could have, I'm almost positive it may have been orange tag that day, but $7.99. And anybody know Topshop is very, well, it can be pricey depending on what you get, but yeah, I got this color, and I got like some cute little orange and blue color mules to go, like some mules that I got from Shein, and if they still have them available, I want to say Amazon may have had them available, but I'll link them. If I can find them, I'll link them. If not, I'll find a similar pair. But yeah, y'all, it's gonna be cute. I'm gonna find a couple of ways to style this, but it's simple. I can style it with tennis shoes, heels, whatever. You can dress this up or down, sandals, whatever. It's a good one. All right, let's get into the next one. And we have a jumpsuit. Who don't need a good jumpsuit? A good cat suit. Throw this on with an oversized sweater or a blue jean jacket, a blazer, whatever. Jumpsuits you can kind of dress up and down. Also, if you don't have anything to wear, I always either go to a jumpsuit, a set, something like that, because you basically don't have to try to find a shirt and you don't have to try to find something to go with something to pair it with. Like this here, you can throw it on and just throw some type of garment on top of it. So this is a great layering piece. Yeah, pay $7.99 for it. I want to say it may have come from Akira. And anybody who knows Akira, y'all already know. Y'all already know what's up. Y'all already know what's up. And this was the Akira Black Label collection. So I am definitely excited about this one. Definitely excited about this one. So we're going to go ahead and get into the next one. again, y'all know how I feel about t-shirts. Like, little t-shirts like this here, just a regular shirt. Listen, I'm going to the thrift store to get this stuff. Again, it's $5.99. Banana Republic. And y'all know these shirts run anywhere between what, $30-$40 in Banana Republic. But yeah, Eco Premium wash t-shirt. So just something to kind of like throw on with, just if I wanted to throw on a pair of jogging pants tied up on the side or tied up in the back or something like that. Throw a blue jean jacket on top of it, or a blazer, or really anything, to be honest with you. Yeah, so this can be a undergarment, and you know, and then you just layer something basically on top of it. So $5.99, not bad. $6 for a t-shirt. And I don't like vests, y'all. I got this one. I just picked this one up only because, to be honest with you, I had intentions on wearing it. Let me grab this since it's sitting out. I actually had intentions on, y'all see that? Wearing it with this. But I thought this was a little bit more, as a matter of fact, that is kind of cute together, y'all. That ain't bad. That's actually kind of cute. Oh, y'all see that? Yeah, okay. Y'all, let me find out. And this can be kind of dressed up. I put on some little pumps with it. Yeah, I think I may end up putting it on with that. I ain't gonna lie. I could do this with a little pair of shorts or something like that. I was gonna hold it for the fall time. But we'll see what we can do. Maybe an evening, springtime look. I may be able to do that. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Another vest, because I have every intention on wearing this here with literally nothing underneath it. I'll probably just button it up and probably put some pasties on and wear this with a pair of slacks or some shorts or something. I want some camo shorts, some oversized camo shorts, because this is a little bit fitted in a waist. So I get some oversized camo print shorts, some cargo shorts or something like that, and some black pumps. Yeah, I might do that. But anyways, this one was $4.99. Not bad for $4.99. Yeah, this ain't bad for $4.99. Yeah, I may end up doing like a bodysuit or something underneath it if I decide to do that, but I may not wear anything underneath it. It's a size 8, and look, it adjusts in the back, so I can always adjust it in the back, take it in. Now, this is the stuff that I could not fit. And these here was a look. So this camo skirt, you know what? I think I probably can fit it. But when I tried it on with something. So if I can fit it, I'll style it over here. 9 times out of 10, because I think this whole skirt on top of jeans is kind of like the style. So I'm going to try to style it like that and see what I get. And if not, then I'll probably just split it up the middle, cut it up the middle, and then use it as kind of like a belt and wrap it around like, you know, something, and layer this on top. I'll probably find something to do with this. But at $5.99, and see, that's the reason why I said y'all don't get caught up in sizes, because notice the size. They said this was a 12-14, so I should have been able to fit this. But I don't know, I wasn't able to. It was a little tight. So if I can fit it, I'll go ahead and style it and include it in this video. If not, then y'all will see what I end up doing with this. Y'all will probably see this. Something you may end up seeing this down the line. If not, then I'm gonna give it to my sister. And these I couldn't fit. How cute were these? Baby, this was gonna be a whole look. But I couldn't fit these, so I'm gonna end up giving them to one of my sisters. They were $7.99. That's a size 10. That's why I said don't get caught up in the sizes. And I could not fit these here. And this was a size 13, so I should have been able to fit these, right? And I wasn't able to fit them. I got them all the way home. And the Goodwill, they don't take returns, so I'll end up either gifting these to my sister or donating them back to the Goodwill. So that concludes our video today. Thanks again for tuning in. I want for you guys to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all share my videos, y'all. Again, I post every Friday and every Tuesday, Fashion Fridays and Impromptu Tuesday. So on Tuesdays you will get whatever I have, whether it be makeup, natural hair. Then don't forget, I spend a lot of time in that description box, so all of the links are available there. Okay, just click the link and it literally will take you directly either to my Amazon storefront and or similar items to some of the thrifted items or something like that, and or some of the stuff that I have that's still in stock. Okay, so thanks again for watching. I do appreciate you all supporting my channel, and make sure you guys comment on my picture, on my videos, so that YouTube know that you all are enjoying the content, or like it, so that they can push it out to other people. We've been doing good, y'all. Like in the past month, I want to say my following has grown about 100 new subscribers. So thank you guys. Thank you. And for all of my new subscribers, thank you. That's all I can say. Thank you. And I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you returning every week for new videos. And again, for my new subscribers, welcome. We definitely appreciate you guys over here. So let me stop rambling and go ahead and get up out of here. I'll see you guys again next Friday for more fashion, next Tuesday for whatever. Bye, guys.
Dig deep down and ask yourselves, who do you want to be? Not what, but who. I'm talking about figuring